Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing findfundsportal.com. But before we get into the review, a lot of you have been messaging me every day, and since I can't review every product that you guys send me, I created a guide that teaches you how to do this research yourself. So you can check the description down below for the link, and with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So as you can see, you may be eligible for up to $5,000 in stimulus relief here on findfundsportal.com, which is very obviously a scam. So please guys, do not enter in any information on this website since it is very shady. And as you can see, malware tips already exposed the findfunds.us scam and then the unclaimed money con. So as you can see right here, they go over the scam overview. So what is findfunds.us? So slick looking website that promotes itself as a free way to uncover unclaimed government money, which is very unlikely. Red flags and suspicious indicators, so it is a brand new domain. Lack of transparency, misleading claims to government ties, suspicious redirects to unrelated sites, no verified user feedback, and generic language and psychological triggers. So they also go over how the scam works, so luring the user, urgency and call to action, information harvesting, and the bait and switch, and affiliate revenue model, and long-term exploitation, and then retargeting to another target. So please guys, do not enter in any information on this website since they are very obviously a scam. And then all they want from you is your information, your birthday, your number, your name, and address. So please, this is sensitive information guys, so if you find any other websites like this, you will know how to avoid them. And that is basically it guys, so if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.